Hey, this is Dan Lehman from AutomationHelpers.com, a SmartSuite implementation partner. Now, if you've been searching for a platform to meet the needs of your product managers and your product marketers, your software development team, you might find that you get a little bit boxed in. It can meet the needs of part of your team, but not holistically. It doesn't provide you the collaboration features that you need. That's why you need SmartSuite, because you've got the ability to combine multiple solutions together to be able to tailor to the needs of your product development team. The fastest way to get started with SmartSuite is by using a solution template. I can click here on the Add New Solution inside of my workspace, and we're going to choose Start with a Template. From here, we've got categories where we can look up product management, and we have lots of different templates available to us. We also have the category of software development. And the great thing about these templates is that you can use them in conjunction with one another. And this is what gives you flexibility over lots of other systems, because you might have something like a feature, and you want to link that feature to your user stories. You want to be linking it to the grooming process from the product management side. You want to be logging bugs against it. You want to be able to get customer feedback from it. And so being able to have multiple solutions that all link to the same features is really powerful, as opposed to having to duplicate data across the system. There's a great competitor analysis template that you can get started with as you're taking a look at your features and going to market against the other competitors in the space. We can track those competitors' specific features, and we've got this as a Kanban that we can track across the different effectiveness of those features. We've got our market landscape where we can take a look at what's the core offering that those competitors are providing. Throughout the process, we'll want to be planning for our product marketing. What's the copy that we're planning to use for each of those features? Do we have testimonials from clients who are early adopters that we can use to bring more customers onto our platform? And what does this look like in terms of a style guide and how we present this information to our prospects and customers? One of my favorite solution templates is software development. We're able to track our sprints, our epics, and our features. We're able to prioritize our features using the RICE methodology by determining reach, impact, confidence, and effort. One of the things I really enjoy about SmartSuite is the ability to look at our data through different lenses. So we don't always have to input everything in a grid view. Instead, we've got timelines and dashboards and Kanbans that we can look at. Here's an example of a dashboard, and we've got our user stories here. I'm able to click and actually drill in to those user stories that are segmented by status here. And I can open up the records themselves so that we can look at this all from a high level, as opposed to always having to look at it in a grid. On the QA side of the house, we've got our software test plans where we've got our test cases, our plans, and our runs as well. Like I mentioned before, those features, instead of just living in one spot, can be interlinked throughout the various solutions that you're managing inside of SmartSuite. And of course, we want to be able to capture feedback from our customers and from our internal stakeholders. We're able to do that here inside of SmartSuite. We can even create forms to be able to capture that information and track it as well. Getting your product development team on SmartSuite is as easy as clicking this Add New Solution, starting with a template, clicking on the right template for you. And from here, of course, you can tailor and tweak it to meet the needs of your organization.